Let us start with chapter 13, Manufacturing Industries. The process in which man can change the form of natural resources in usable one through his intellectual, cultural and economic capacity is called industry. With the beginning of industrial revolution in England, the Britishers used to buy raw material at very less rate from our country, and then they used to manufacture in their country and sell it in our country, the finished product, at higher prices. Countries like United States of America, Russia, Japan, South Korea are prosperous and developed nations on the basis of their industrial development. Where industries are either not developed or are less developed, are not capable to harness the natural resources as industrial raw material. So they have to sell their natural resources at a very cheap rate and then purchase from foreigners the finished product of the same raw material at a higher price. Manufacturing industries contributes about 29% of the national production of India. The administrative policy of British rule broke the backbone of Indian industrial structure, and during these periods we were not able to start with any of the modern methods. In 1853, the first industrial complex of iron furnace based on charcoal was founded, but it failed. First successful attempt was made in 1854 in cotton textile industry. Thereafter, jute mill was established in 1855 at Rishra near Kolkata. In 1874, a factory was found at Kulti for making iron, which are closed after few years. It was restarted in 1881. In 1907, a new dimension was provided with the founding of Tata Iron and Steel Company at Jamshedpur. Let us learn the classification of industries. Let me tell you in detail. The industries are classified on the basis of number of laborers, ownerships and sources of raw material. First, on the basis of the number of laborers. Now the industries are divided into two groups, large scale industries and small scale industries. The industries where the number of laborers are more employment available, they are called large scale industries. Example, cotton textile industries. The industries wherein a small entrepreneur employs less number of laborers and producing less is called small scale industries. Example, sugar or khansari industry. Second is on the basis of ownership. Industries can be divided into private sector, public sector, joint sector and cooperative sector. The industries belonging to Ambani, Tata, Birla, Bajaj, these groups are of private sector. The iron industry of Bhilai and the heavy electrical limited are industries of public sector. Their ownership and administration is with the government. Oil India Limited is a joint venture of public and private sector. Some sugar factories and dairy producing milk are run by cooperative societies. Third is on the basis of the sources of raw material. Industries can be divided into two groups, that is agro-based industries and mineral-based industries. Cotton textile, silk textile, jute textile, woolen textile, paper, sugar, edible oil, etc. are agro-based industries. That means which is directly obtained from agriculture, while iron, steel, cement, glass, aluminium, copper, chemicals, transportation equipments, electronic industries are all mineral based industries. Agro based industries. First we will learn about cotton textile industry. Cotton textile is the main industry of industrial economy of India and which provides maximum employment. It employs about 3.5 crore people of the country. First cotton textile mill in India was established in Mumbai. Thereafter, Shahpur mills and Calico mills was there in Ahmedabad. Initially, most of the mills were established in Maharashtra and Gujarat because these are the area where we have huge production of cotton. Moreover, laborers, skilled laborers, electricity, bank, water for export, humid climate and good transport infrastructures are available. Today, cotton textile mills are found in about 100 cities of the country. Most of the mills today are concentrated in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Maximum mill in Maharashtra are located in Mumbai. So it is also called Cottonopolis. Then we have the other important centers in Gujarat also. Similarly, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana. In Gujarat, Ahmedabad is called as Manchester of the East or Denim City of India. The industry is facing problems like the scarcity of high quality of cotton, use of old machineries, irregular electric power supply, less productivity capacity of the laborers, competition from artificial fibers, tough competition in global market, etc. India exports cotton textiles and garments to many countries. Russia, UK, USA, Sudan, Nepal, France, Australia and South African countries are her main customers. India holds second rank after China in the export of cotton textile.